Hello friends, in this video we will see how to track the inventory movements, see if there is any need for any product to be reordered, and how to track the average cost of the products to arrive at a good viable financial decision. To do the same, we'll first check what are the products where we already have some quantity on hand. So to start off with, we can see four of them. So I'll just go with the first one, which is an ideal case because here we have quantity on hand, reorder levels, and safety stock as well. To repeat the same, just in case if you want to update the reorder level or the safety stock level, you can simply edit the product, update the reorder level and the safety stock level. Once the update is done, it will be reflected here. So for this example, we'll take these two products. I'll first see 100 and 100. So I'll create a sale, or even before that, we'll first have a look at the dashboard where it shows that there are 0 products which are low on stock or below the safety stock. I'll now create a sale invoice for some of the products, and as you must be knowing, there's no need for the user to enter the sales invoice number because it is automatically generated. So the first product was barley product. The quantity on hand was 100. I'll now create a sales invoice for 90. I'll add it. And the another one was probably salt soda eating. Yeah. And I'll create an invoice for this. I'll edit this, date, and I'll complete the invoice. So here it shows that the quantity available for soda eating is 0. So I'll remove this line and now try to complete the invoice, and it gets completed successfully. I'll go back to the dashboard and I'll go, or probably I'll see on the products. So now the quantity on hand is 10. The reorder level is also 10 and the safety stock is 8. So it is still not below the levels which would reflect here. So I'll just create one more invoice with probably just barley, and I'll update the quantity as 5. So I'll sell 5 of them. I'll add and complete the invoice. And now if I go to the dashboard, it shows that there's one product low on stock and the same product probably is below the safety stock level. So now if I go to the product, as we can see here, these are the levels. To see whether probably So to see what are the inventory movements, how did the system arrive at this quantity hand on 5, I'll simply click here and it will show me the complete picture of what were the transactions. So I started with the transaction which is the opening stock of 100. So here is the opening stock, and then I made a sale where the transaction quantity was 90 first and the second invoice was 5. So this is how the balance we arrived at was 5. In case of sale, we do not track the the average price. It is only tracked in case of purchases. So wherever we have some purchase transactions, it will track the average price depending on the quantity purchased and at which price it was purchased. The average price calculation method that we follow is weighted average method. So depending on the next few transactions, the purchase average price keeps on fluctuating, and depending on that, the user can make a good decision. So this is how the dashboard gives you a picture of how many are the stocks which are below the reordering level and you have the need to reorder them. The same can also be downloaded from here. So you can download the report for all the products, or which are the products low on stock, or which are the products below the safety stock level. So this is how the user gets all the information handy for his reference. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.